But now it's time to go. We go find the two dinosaurs. I can't believe this is a bomb now chasing out a bird dead. Why are you doing this to me? Wait a minute. Really? That's a great idea. I'm going to fix it and I gotta go back to normal. Don't worry, Birdie. I get to fix it and get back to life. I will help you. Please make it too late. Come on, get me back to normal. Did not it work? What happened? No, I will die. Please don't do it. Please, I'm not dying, you idiot. What? Wait a minute. I'm alive? Birdie! Oh, I miss you so much. Oh my goodness, congratulations. Then you're back. Yes, I am back. What about animal? And you know how there it just said. Dino! Who's where now? There's got the spaceship and got to board the spider so she should be coming back. Okay, all clear. Okay, what are we going to do? What's that type of buildings? What? Who the buildings? Yeah, over there. BP is it closer now? Yeah, me too. Let's go. Alright, grab my hands. I can't. I can't. My hands is too little. Oh, really? Your hand is too little? Look! Where? You tricked me. We're here. Let's go. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, what are you going to do? Alright, let's go to the back to the mouth. Okay. Is that drinking bird? I don't know. Oh, what are you going to do, bird? I don't know. Hi there. Anything else I got to say? Or Mickey those drink? No thanks, but I'm good. Okay, I need your help. I gotta go show that here's how you call hey animal plated. Animal plated? Hmm? Well, yes. Well, animal plated is a show. Snake can have an animal plated. No. I'm looking for animals. Are you see them? She's right over there. So, baby, you're talking to her? You know. Sure. Why don't you say, just let me do the talking. Excuse me. Mom? It's you. T-Rex? You're alive. Why did you bring here today? Well, what are you talking about? That's a fun now to show. Why is it the type of machine to touch it? You know him? He is your fault. Yes, I got your trouble in the back. No, it doesn't. I know you have seen it again. Why you? So what are you going to do with the site? Well, I guess we can fun now. Show your god that the animals. Animal planet against the animals. Animal planet? Hey, I know this animal planet. What about animal planet? You don't have the planet yes you're safe. Anything else? Take me to the fly. You bring me to was I got it there and show you a type of sheet to get a fisted buggy in. Okay, let's go to fly the spaceship.